Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1967 Chevy Camaro. Now this car's been restored by Bobby Alloway, and it's going to be one of the nicest restorations that you ever have a chance to buy. Now if you've got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. We're going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Camaro, and then we'll get it around there and get it on a lift so you can take a close look at the bottom, and then we'll get it out on the highway as well. Now one of the themes you're going to see throughout this car is the brushed aluminum. It's a gorgeous accent to the black color scheme that you see on it, and it's something that's really going to make it unique whenever you're out showing it. As we come on around the driver's side, you'll notice how slick this car is. You'll also notice some more brushed aluminum accents here around the windshield, on the vent window, the side mirror, and even the door handle. Now if you'll come on up, we'll take a close look on the inside. You'll notice you got the custom gauges here in the dash, but if you look closely at the console, you'll also see those gauges have been updated, and you've also got the 5-speed shifter. Now this interior was done by Steve Holcomb of Pro Auto Custom, and you'll notice that it's got the 67 style with the deluxe door panels, and if you look closely at the seat covers, you'll even see that same style done there. But of course they're done over the top, just like Steve always is known for. Now looking in the back seat, it is functional, and one of the features that we love the most is that center bar that goes across can be taken out, so that way you can get in and out with ease. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. As you look down the car, you'll notice how straight that body is. Also, as we come on around, you'll notice some more of the brush accents there on the back. And as you look across the top, you'll see it around the back glass, and it'll also give you an opportunity to see how gorgeous the shine on this car really is. Now I know you're already in love with this car, but I'm going to take a step back and let you really get an idea of how excellent the gaps and panel fit are on it. It's truly a remarkable restoration. You'll even notice that you got the 18-inch and 20-inch billet specialty wheels. Now they're wrapped in Michelin tires. Now come on up and we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Camaro. As I pop the hood, go ahead and brace yourself, because she's going to knock your eyes out when you get up here. This car, it features a 383 stroker motor. She's absolutely dialed in. Now make sure you read the description, because I can go into details on this thing for 5 or 10 minutes, but it'll give you a chance to really appreciate what she's got under the hood. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Camaro, I want to get it around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get it around there and on the lift, so that way you can take a close look there, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you. Let's get right to it. This Alloway built Camaro features Detroit speed from the front to the back. As you can see, we have the Detroit speed 4-link and sway bar that sets up the 9-inch rear end with coilovers, and the floors and frame, well, they are stunningly detailed in the black paint. Moving on to the front, you'll see the custom one of only 2 4-inch narrow front subframes from Detroit Speed with tubular control arms and coilovers, along with Woodward rack and pinion steering. The stroker motor, it's made of that beefed up Tremec transmission, and make sure to notice the amazing job done on channeling the frame connectors on this Camaro. Don't forget, this 67 sports 4-wheel disc brakes from Willwood, and make sure not to miss out on this gorgeous exhaust system that flows back from the hand-built custom headers. More than just looks, it gives you that sound that we all dream of. Speaking of which, let's get it on the road.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.